Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on your DJI Osmo 360. To reset your connection settings, go into the control center by swiping from the top down, then go into settings. Here, scroll down until you see wireless connection. In here, again scroll down to reset connection, tap on it and tap on reset. Afterwards, you will have all of your wireless connection settings reset. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.